Well, at least we'll have some fireworks lighting up the night sky this evening. In the meantime, a repeat performance to the last week or so with thick, extensive cloud, keeping it disappointingly grey. Dry for the vast majority with mist and fog reforming tonight. And this is the earlier satellite and radar picture, very much the same as the conditions we've seen in the last week or more, with extensive thick cloud, a chance of some brighter breaks across central and southern Scotland, a little more cheerful here. Occasional low, weak autumn sunshine to be found, but an awful lot of grey, gloomy sky for the rest of us. And with that thicker cloud, a few spots of drizzly rain further west with a bit more of a breeze. Highs of 14 or 15 degrees generally, and feeling a little cooler, a little chillier through parts of Scotland and the northeast. And tonight, with any bonfires, the smoke will be trapped by that low cloud, giving poor visibility. Together with the low cloud, we'll see some mist and fog thicken up come the small hours, and this will give quite a slow start to the new day. We've got calm, quiet conditions for any fireworks displays this evening. Little change with our weather scenario. We've had these conditions for well over a week, with extensive cloudy skies, generally dry conditions, and some mist and fog expected to form tonight. And nothing is set to change really in the not too distant future, with high pressure still in control. Any wet weather kept way at bay out in the mid-Atlantic. And certainly temperatures on the mild side for many, but staying a little chillier for some of us in rural spots in the next few nights, and the addition of some mist and fog keeping it very autumnal. In the next few hours, some poor visibility. Any smoke from bonfires will be trapped by the extensive low cloud, and then this will thicken up overnight. So not only the low cloud, the mist and the murk into the first stages of Wednesday morning, but also some mist and some fog as well. And this will give some really poor visibility on the roads first thing. It will be a slow start to the day for many of us, staying a little chilly in rural spots further east, elsewhere double figures, nowhere near as cold as it could be given the time of year. Into Wednesday morning, and we've got that dense fog, slow to shift in places, some misty low cloud in many locations, but we'll see some of the cloud nibbled away for a lucky few. I'm optimistic of some low, weak autumn sunshine here and there. Elsewhere, disappointingly grey, and highs of around about 15 or 16 degrees. Even with a breeze further west, those temperatures a little above those you'd expect for the time of year. Pretty much a repeat performance into Thursday, temperatures of around about 14 or 15 degrees with some early mist and fog once more. Still no change weather-wise, with the cloudy, dry conditions here to stay for a little longer yet. We've seen very samey, static conditions for well over a week, and little let-up for now at least, with the addition of some mist and fog tonight too. As the night continues, we'll see any smoke from any bonfires trapped under that misty low cloud, the fog thickening up too, to give very grey, gloomy conditions, as well as some poor visibility into the first stages of Wednesday morning. A little clearer and chillier for those eastern fringes, particularly in rural spots. Further west, double figures into the first stages of Wednesday, and nowhere near as chilly as it could be given the time of year. And through Wednesday morning, it will be a slow start with the mist and the fog. This slow to shift, if at all, in places. I'm optimistic of some of the cloud getting nibbled away here and there. Occasional low, weak autumn sunshine for the luckier ones, but all in all, a lot of grey sky again, and highs of 15 or 16 degrees out of the breeze.